Hello, my name is Janet Millán, industrial engineer, student Sean Santander de Clichan, English course 2. My best work experience. My best work experience was when I worked for 3 years as an undergraduate. I got to know 3 countries, Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay. I worked from 3 to 4 months per city in the same country, 1 year per country. I like Uruguay. I loved. I thinking it was very beautiful for light skin. Cities people. I don't enter in their years 2009. The circus fair is all finished. I would like to. I would like to belong to Benin you travel low hub people you needed and the max to see all products you need at max in my country, Colombia. Thank you very much.